979, day number 2 of the Chesapeake Bay, Virginia activation. Just a quick shot here as I look back toward the Virginia mainland, and you'll see a number of fishing vessels. It's very common to fish off the shores of this island, and this has actually been a little bit of the bane of my existence and challenges this past weekend, as some of the fish finder equipment and electric equipment on these boats have often thrown strange and peculiar sounds into my receive, which I've also had to work around along with skip and other kinds of QRM. So just another element of QRM that I had to kind of manage around to secure the record-breaking contacts so that many gentlemen who joined the DX Tour up to the northeast and beyond were able to secure. But again, fishing and fishing vessels and fish finders and equipment, all challenges on this particular activation.